California.
Okay, here, give me that book so you can sit.
And then he worked at that place. And I think the company is called Live or something.
Live?
Yeah, I think, yeah. Because, and then he went to the thing, and then he has a bunch of inventions, and then he put it on his computer.
Yeah.
And the super smart guy picked who was gonna be the next bankrupt, which is like his partner, and it wasn't him, but
Hold on a second first. Hold on a second. All right, guys. Morning, Rob. Markets opened. Moderna is up freaking from 127 to 143. That's up 18%. And I got that baby. Look at that. That is amazing. You driving, Rob? I just jumped like a ton on that one. That's amazing. Go Moderna. Looks like Tesla is up. Tesla gapping up as well. If you guys heard, my son Ethan was telling me about what's the movie called? Cloudy with a Chance of Meatballs? Yeah. Ethan's telling me about a movie he saw yesterday called Cloudy with a Chance of Meatballs while his dear old dad was too busy looking at stock charts. Huh, Ethan? Yeah. Doing my work. You're doing your work. I'm doing my work. All right, guys. Looks like a hell of a market open on a Monday. Jeez. Tesla going for it. So I guess no pullback. Morning, Blair. No pullback for you Tesla guys. No pullback for Moderna guys either. Up, oh, snap, son. I guess when you're a small company with a vaccine for the biggest virus in the world, your stock's going to rocket up 48% in 3 days. That is amazing. I should have put it in the rest of my account, but I was cautious. Bad decision. It's okay. It's okay. All right, Ethan. Continue. Do you know where you were? Yeah, do you remember where you were in your story? Oh, okay, good. Thanks, bud. So you enjoyed the movie? Do you recommend it to people? Yeah, you liked it? Okay.
he made fruit and candy.
Pretty amazing. Miss another 3 million, no worries. Yeah, right, Topher? Yeah. You know, I if I just stuck with my OG strategy, which is the same now as it was before, I would have had that. I would have had that. Yeah. Oh, definitely goofy, Rob. That's why the 9-year-old likes it. Hey, 9-year-old. I gotta yell at my 9-year-old. In a good way. Anyway, probably didn't hear me. All right, guys. Sorry, my son came in here. As you guys know, I don't like to kill their spirits too much. All I do is trade. He has to grow up. That's the hard job. So GBTC up 20%. I heard some story somewhere about someone selling a crap load of GBTC. Obviously, you can see it in the charts here. Looks like all it did was give other people an opportunity to buy it super cheap. And I didn't even see it down there. We didn't even look at this thing on Friday. So you can see here a very interesting story between traditional spot BTC and the actual BTC market, I guess. I don't know. Were we down on Friday? We probably were down on Friday. And I think GBTC may have been what took it down there. Yeah, I saw a story somewhere where someone sold a bunch of GBTC, but then I just heard another story that said someone was going to buy like $535 million. So a little bit all over the place. All right, Moderna 15%. And then we have Tesla selling off a little bit, but still spiking up. What else is working right? Blockchain up 12%. Very Fine Foods up 7. All right, that's starting to move, guys. How's our volume? Pretty good so far. Very early in the day, but pretty good so far. Excuse me. What I got here? Oh yeah, I was watching MSTR. Yeah. I saw that one over the weekend too. It's not Monster Energy. MicroStrategy. Oh, are you saying these are the guys that wanted to buy another 525? I didn't hear that. They only bought like $100 million. It wasn't. I don't know if they had that much cash. That was half of their cash pile at the time. So this is strictly a Bitcoin play. Like I don't get it, which is fine. But you would have had to buy down at 193. I'm not buying at 305. Um, just it's just not the cool thing to do. Net up here, up 2%. Net's been going for it. We did talk about this one on Friday. Looks like it's continuing the move. So far, volume is fairly normal. D-Dog Peloton AMD's up here with us today. Oh, hell, that is a candle on AMD. That is a candle, guys. Maybe it's actually going to go for it. Just maybe. It's had quite a few good green candles here recently, and that's a good open. That's a good open for AMD. I can't argue with that. I really don't have a lot of cash left, though. Where's my options trade? Oh, what else is up here? Oh, still got UAL. A little choppy today, although our options up a bunch. Yeah, I guess it is above yesterday's close. We talked about Very Fine Foods already. Also have some of that. That's doing really good. We also talked about Riot. And we look at UAL. Tesla, that's all my big account. Most of it's Tesla. All right, looks like a little bit of selling pressure there. Finally, in Tesla, been waiting for a little something to step in. Tesla's got to see some selling at some point. You want some water? It's very full. Take tiny sips. All right, Tesla with some red right there. We'll see how red it gets. UAL transporting the vaccine. Well, I'm sure they want to transport something, Rob. They're just like, hey, I see you got a pet rock there. You just sold it on eBay for 79 cents with $1.99 shipping. That's a good contract for us. We'll take it. Where are you going? California to Singapore? Sounds good. That should be a... I love it. And we're back to somewhat being green. Okay, we'll see if Tesla's going to sell off or not. All right, Moderna 17%, continuing with the uptrend. Just to look at that. Look at that shit. Bam! Huge on Moderna. Absolutely massive. This thing is gonna go, guys. This bitch may go straight to $200. I don't know. Look at the size of these gaps. Little one there, medium one there, really big one here, and it's straight up continuing. So, I mean, the institutions are, so this was early coronavirus, and then this is confirmation coronavirus. So no selling pressure yet. Can't be mad at it at all. But, well, all right, what else is out there, guys? Space has been working. We've been talking about this now for a while, long time actually. And ever since we were down to this little consolidation, it says it's been looking super, super good. Too late for the Myrna train. Well, I think it's mid-flight, Blab, but you're really gonna it's gonna be a bumpy ride. It may not be enjoyable. I do not recommend buying something that is up 43% from any type of a consolidation. This was a consolidation buy. My target was up here, and it's already been exceeded 2 days after after the purchase. So it's very well extended. Definitely not a recommended purchase. Not saying it's not going to do it, but it's just going to be a tough one. If you do it smaller. Peloton not in a bad place here. Pretty good volume on the 5-minute chart. Look at those candles. Pretty big candles too. Let's go. Yeah, could be a trend reversal for Peloton, which is a little bit beaten down. It is below the 10 or the 50-day moving average. Trying to get back above it. Ideally, we'll obviously have good volume, and that will be the end of that discussion. It'll be a nice reversal. Where are we at right now? 871,000 versus the prior day's 5.6 million. Hard to extrapolate that one out so early in the day. But still doing good. All right, Very Fine Foods continuing up through, guys. Oh, what I wanted to say earlier is that I was watching a video by that Now You Know channel, if you guys have heard about that. They went through all the electric car companies you can buy. And I wanted to add them to our list. Apple. Oh, Suki now. Don't tell me Apple. So you're viewing that as a symmetrical triangle. It's loosely a symmetrical triangle. It's hard to ignore all this stuff up here. But I definitely get your point. I'm picking up what you're putting down. It's good volumes. Good volume, yeah, especially for recently. Of course, we had holidays, so things got a little bit smaller volume. But yeah, I think so. Could be going, which would be really great for the NASDAQ. How about Amazon, too? See, this has a little bit more of a structure to it. It's also wider. You can... So far, it doesn't look like it's going. Facebook, another big one, not moving the wrong direction today. And what else would be another good one? Another good big one. I don't know. Tesla, but they gapped up and are selling off a little bit. Wonder if it'd be worth it to sell an option here today for the week. What would that even look like? I'd have to go to the high, 607. Thanks for pointing it out there. Just out of curiosity, what does that look like? Is that even worth it? Oh, damn. That's pretty good. 605 got $2,000 per call. Wow. Oof. I'm not sure if timing that. You forgot all your passwords, Rob? That's pretty good, though, man. The 605. Looks like it's continuing its sell-off. I kind of like that trade. Oh, I can't close it, though. Damn it. I have no cash. Shit. Oh, that's a good trade, too. That's a lot of money. Let's see what the numbers say. Sell open. And we're looking at December 4, 605. Which is half a stupid thing to do, but we're finally selling off a little bit here. Ooh, that's tough, man. I'm going to have to pass on that one. I just don't have the cash for it. What's like? Yeah, I'm so low cash right now. But that would be an interesting trade. So the theory is, guys, I have these options I'm holding for Tesla. If Tesla's going to have a selling week, I don't want to get rid of my position. But what I can do is I could sell an option for the 605, which would be right about there. And if it doesn't go above 605 at all, then I basically get to keep all that money. I get to keep it. And I get to keep my Tesla position. Not that it would pay for my Tesla position, but and the other problem is that if I do this and it goes up, I cannot exit that position. That's the problem. I don't have enough cash in my account. I'd have to liquidate a bunch of stuff, which isn't the end of the world. I mean, I'm not really married to my other positions at the moment. I'm not in any really spectacular trades. PLNHF? All right. Yes, breaking out, continuing. Yeah, good volume too. Average volume is just under 1 million, so that's good. Definitely continuing in the right direction. Over the counter. Excuse me. GBTC 20, GDLC also 20%. Grayscale. Yeah, what if Grayscale caused that drop in BTC? Must be what it is. All right, Riot Blockchain. Myrna still holding super strong here, up at 16, 17 now percent. Riot Blockchain. Very Fine Foods, 10. Genus. Ooh, Genus. There you go, Rob. You're rolling in it right now, Rob. Planetar. Come on, base. Work your magic. VFF. I sold this one. Wasn't a mistake because I got into Moderna, but this thing's been on fire. Very similar setup. Very similar setup to Moderna. So you got a big consolidation. It breaks out a flat base here, and then it pops up. Moderna, very similar. Big consolidation. I don't have the line drawn, but there's your base we looked at right there, and then boom, a big pop up. Wow, almost like my eyes getting better. That's pretty good. Coop. All right, United Airlines. Okay, coming back nicely. Skyworks. Oh, I missed a few up here. Let's go back. Very Fine Foods. Planetar, somewhat consolidating. Genus, Very Fine Foods, still going. Work really broke out of that. Actually, I think we talked about this, and then this thing broke up on the news that Salesforce maybe wanted to buy them, and there was no warning. It just came out, and the thing shot up like 20%. So there's nothing doing on that one. PLNHF, MongoDB, continuing with a good run, but taking a sweet ass time. PFPT, Okta doing good as well. Okta looks really good. INSG maybe turning around from the 8, but you see there's not a lot of interest in that one. Peloton may be done consolidating. It's going to try to put in a turnaround. Coop. MJ continuing through today. Maybe we'll see some good MJ names in this week. DocuSign, not bad either. AMD, putting in the reversal. I like the direction it's headed. It's not going to get up there as fast as some of these other big names we have, but it's getting up there. And it's a big name. It's a chip maker. It's a big chip maker, and it's not like it's going to flip on a dime. You know, it's only going to pull one of these every once in a while. These are the opportunities where it can happen, but it could also just follow this trend line and trajectory of about, over a 45-degree angle. We'll see. I was trying to catch UAL. All right, so there's UAL. Still managing pretty well. Skyworks, no. INSG. Yes, okay, that's the maybe turnaround at 8. MJ. DocuSign, Casa, CCC. And there's Tesla lower. I kind of just wanted to pull that trigger on that fucking Tesla trade, but I'd have to sell. I don't know what I would sell. Not quite sure what it's a good trade though, man. And that is 10% value of my options, so that would be good. It would be, Rob. Proud about to break out, it looks like, has earnings coming up. Black Friday on retail. You know what? They have it priced in, like all the... I don't think it matters, to be honest with you. I mean, unless there's just something spectacular that happens. So, Muhammad, AQB. Let's take a look at BBY real quick, just the chart. Yeah, see? That's pointing in the wrong direction. Sell the news type of an event. If you have anyone thinking, oh, I'll buy Best Buy because of Black Friday. No offense, but it's kind of a stupid premise, and that's why it's a sell the news event. AQB. Anything that's super obvious like that is not a buying event, ever. It's never a buying event. Oh, BTC blasting off. BTC going for it. What are we at? 19.4, 19.5 on BTC. They grow salmon. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Yep. I remember these guys, Muhammad, for sure. Yeah, they do have a big flat base here. Nickel it down. I think GM is, well, first of all, Trevor, whatever the fuck his name is, Trevor Milton, he can sell his shares today. The lockup expiration is over, and I think GM's yanking partnership. AQB, they have this high from years ago, and it looks like to me they're consolidating to break that high. So about 575, 55 or something like that. Yeah. See that damn Tesla trade looking better and better. How much would it be up already? Damn, that's a lot of money to just let walk away, but it's the prudent move. It's the prudent move. 605. Yeah, see, I already would have made basically almost $2,000 per option. No, $200 per option on Tesla pulling in here. All right, it's gonna happen, guys. Get your stomachs ready. Get your big boy pants on. Big boy pants. Nasdaq down 0.23. GBTC verified food. Some of these are still still doing good. Let's see what's not working today. AYRO. Oh yeah, lots of EVs taking on the chin today. XPEV, Solo, NIU, AMC. Yeah, it's full of full of EVs taking on the chin today. CRSR. Okay, Corsair coming down. Got to keep an eye on that one. Salesforce, man, they do not like that potential merger with work for these guys. They just not. Wow. 20,000 Bitcoin, guys. I may have to live stream. I may have to switch to Bitcoin and freaking live stream this. 20,000 BT 20,100. I may have to switch channels. I may have to go to Real Crypto and live stream that. Shitload of volume just came in too. Dang. That's a lot of volume in SNDL right there. What do these guys do? Cannabis stock? Hmm. Uh, yeah, I may have to go to Bitcoin. 19.6. Oh, I thought it was over 20K. What was the high? 19,760. My Bitcoin futures is over 20,000. So we haven't quite hit there yet, but it is looking like we're going to get there. Hey guys, hold on a minute. All right, I'm back. All right, I got to get off. I'm going to have to switch to real crypto, guys. Let's bring stocks back for a second. So Sandal. Oh, NASDAQ went back to flat. Nice. Nice. LDC. Myrna, 15%. A little bit of a bobble, but nothing too bad. Roku, AMD. So I'm going to switch to... are we actually at 20K? Real crypto, Jose? Yeah. We got super close. So on the spot market, we never actually got there. Our high is 19,782. On the futures, though, we were already into 20K. So I'm not sure. I think we're selling off, selling off right now, actually. So 19.5. There's definitely a lot of activity up here. Not sure why. Shouldn't be that much, but it is a big number. Great volumes too. All right, I'm gonna hang out. I'm not sure if it's gonna spike up huge or not. Oh, it could though. Oh, Tone is live? Well, then I have to go live just to not put an idiot on the screen. Very fine foods. Quite a bit of volume stepping in there. How's the whole market doing? Pretty good. Pretty good, guys. I could do a live power hour today. We're just poking at it. We're not there yet, but I think we could be going for it. Ugh. Oh my god, man. They think I'm so done with politics, man. I'm like, it's ridiculous. Like, I'm not a Trump fan, but there was no fraud, okay? To spread over that many people with that many counties with that many things, I'm just over it. There was no fraud when Trump was elected. There's no fraud when Biden's elected. It's just a presidential election, people. Just get over it. Just get over it. All right. GBTC up 21%. That's significant. Yeah, sell must have happened on a Friday. All right, so we're definitely getting some distribution up here at 20K. Hey, what's up, Ellie? You're late, bro. Does it say real Tesla? She didn't say real Tesla. Oh, last night? Gotcha. Well, actually, I found some additional. Well, hey man, that's the leading stock. I'm gonna follow the leading stock. I don't care what people say or think. That's the stock to follow. Tell me another stock I should be following as closely. I'd love to know which one it would be. Follow NIO that closely? Well, we did follow NIO. I just don't have as much confidence in NIO as I do Tesla. Nor do I have this nor the same trade setting up in the same way. The NIO trade happened right here. We definitely covered that. I don't know about by the end of the year, Blair. I don't know, but I still got my $900 price target for Tesla on this leg of this run that we're in the middle of right now. That's my target. It's actually funny, Ellie. I don't know if you watched that whole video I did yesterday or not, but did some really good work, and I found, where's that list at? Oh, I almost threw it away. I found four. Well, I found four more. So I found 5 model book stocks for this Tesla trade. I found 5, which means that this pattern that Tesla's putting in is actually. You did? Okay. Did you like all those model book stocks we found? Dude, those were amazing. Did you think any of them were illegitimate or I shouldn't have included? You like the homework? Okay, good. Good, good, good. Well, I was just curious about the model book stocks because, I don't want to include anything that's not genuine, but I mean, I actually made a little list of them and it's really amazing. Just looking for that setup alone. Just looking for that setup. I mean, it doesn't happen all the time, and I haven't looked at all of the charts in the history of mankind, but I mean, it's all of them have doubled from that setup. All of them. Now, one thing I did want to do, which I didn't do, and I may do today, depending on stuff, is I want to see how time works from that in terms of the length of the run up and the percentage, and then so the pre-run is the run up, which is like, which is like this leg here, and then you have the pattern, and then you have the what I'm calling the post run. I don't know, post run, I guess. So then the post run, I wonder if there's some correlation between time, so I can better time an options contract in the future. So we'll see how that goes, though. But yeah, I thought it was. I was really amazed to find that many. To be honest with you, I wasn't anticipating finding any more, but I'm like, okay, let's look for them, and then we found them, which is super cool. Yeah, it's a great setup, man. That AXN trade back when it was Taser. Oh yeah, you missed my trade on Tesla this morning that I couldn't take. That would have been 10% of my this week. It would have been 10. So selling the 605 call on Tesla for this week, because this may be the week that we consolidate. That would be about profit would be about 10% of my Tesla position. The profit on that would be 10% of my Tesla position, and I can't take it though because it's too. I'd be in the same situation I was last time. So, tis what it is though. All right, guys. I'm not sure if I'm gonna go Bitcoin live stream or not, but I'm gonna go and do my newsletter. I'm gonna be trying to spend a little more time on the newsletter than I have been lately, and so yeah, we're not quite at 20K yet, but the futures are poking at it for shizzle. So super good there. Yeah, I had this whole thing. It's lovely. I love that setup. All right, guys, I'm gonna bounce. You guys have a great day. AQB shot up right to the high I mentioned in like 10 minutes. Oh, I can look at that. That's super good. Wow, that's really great volume. Something's going on. There's a lot doing with engineered food and stuff like that. So I wouldn't rule these guys out by a long shot. It looks like it's going to be choppier, but yeah, that's crazy. That's an amazing run. That could spark a huge run. This is a Nasdaq stock too. Jeez, and they have options. Not going to trade them like that though. Tone Vase, I don't know how many people are on his stupid stream. I'm only gonna get like 80 on mine if I do it. I want to take all of his viewers away just so they have someone not stupid to listen to. But I don't know. Like Ellie said, all the real traders have 10 viewers on their stream, and all the whatever people have like 1,000. So it is what it is. All right, guys, I'm gonna get out of here. I'm gonna do a newsletter. I may do a live power hour. So look out for that if you guys do see it on the Real Crypto channel. It's Real Dash Crypto. I'm sure all you guys know that, but for those that don't, it's Real Dash Crypto. And all right, I'll see you guys tomorrow or in a little bit.